This is the Frugal Gardener. Welcome back to my garden, my winter garden. What's left of winter is going to be spring in about 3 weeks. And it is harvest time again. I say again because I harvested half of the carrots a while ago. I did not film them. It's been rainy, snowing, windy, cold, and difficult for me to get in here. So this is what's left of my harvest. This is my second harvest. A lot of these came out smaller than what I'd hoped for. They're good for soups. They're good for stews. They're good for salads. There's a couple of nice ones in here. Some of the nicer ones were in the first haul, but I'll take it. I mean, it's almost March, and these carrots should have came out some time ago, along with the purple cabbage. But like I said, I had these covered, and it snowed 3 times in the last month and a half, and we've had a couple of windstorms. And getting up and down here when the weather's bad is not good, so I'm going to have to reinforce the steps that the Frugal son made back last summer. But this is what we have. This is there's, like I said, there's a couple of decent ones in here, and I'm going to wash these up. This is kind of a weird one, but I'm going to wash these up, and some of these will go in the freezer. Some of these will be for dinner. And like I said, you have to kind of pick through them, pick out the good ones, but none of these will go to waste. So this is my harvest video, my carrot harvest video, and I am preparing for spring. Hence the reason why I have these guys here. I'm going to plant some starters in here, and I already have some sweet potato starters going indoors. So that's it. Like I said, it's going to be quick. I'm not going to keep you guys, and I hope that you subscribe because, as I said, we're going into March, and I'm still here, and I will be here all 4 seasons. So subscribe, hit that bell, and I recently did a video, actually 2 videos, of things I'm going to plant this spring that you may not have thought of, exciting things that I'm going to walk you through, and some you may have heard of, some you may not have heard of, but I'll put a link below if you are interested in seeing what I'm going to plant this spring that is different than the general tomatoes, potatoes, squash, cucumbers, zucchini, stuff like that. New and different. So that's it. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Thank you for spending time with me today. And remember, when you grow your own food, you will always know where it comes from. I have another video coming out in a couple of days. Hope you guys will stick with me. Have a great day. Catch you on the next one.